ni hao. That's it, no more. Good morning. Welcome. Thank you for coming. So great to be back here again. This is the second WinHEC of 2017. And I wanted to start off, before we get into all the great technology, to just give a big thank you to all of you. Thank you for believing in Windows. Thank you for joining us at WinHEC. Thank you for bringing devices to the world that customers really, really love. And we're looking forward to another big year. And we're seeing tremendous momentum with Windows 10 and our customers. Now, I just want to give fair warning, if you've seen my talks before, I'm very much more to do demos than to do slides. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue that tradition and do some demos, except in this particular situation, because I'm talking about new technology, we're going to do kind of bleeding edge demos of new technology. And sometimes the demo gods are happy and they bless us and we can do great demos, and sometimes not so much. We're going to do some things. We're going to try to talk to Cortana. Sometimes when you wake her up in the morning, she's a little cranky and she doesn't like to cooperate. Hopefully, we woke her up early, gave her some coffee. I think she's doing well, but we're going to see. We're going to try to talk to her. We're going to do some great stuff with Pen. We're going to play some Xbox. We're going to look at some IoT stuff. So bear with me as we get through this. We're going to talk about the Windows Fall Creators Update and all the great innovations in there and how you can leverage that. First, let's talk about our mission. Our mission is to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more. This acts as a North Star in everything we do and in every product choice we make. When we talk about empowering people, we simply mean that with the right tools, anyone can become anything. But perhaps on the planet is the most important and interesting idea in our mission. Our technology doesn't just touch folks in Redmond or America. At Microsoft, we want to empower every person and every organization around the world. And that requires a careful partnership between Microsoft and you, our hardware partner community, to build devices worth writing a love story about. And it takes a set of big bets that underpin everything else we're doing. Our worldview is evolving as technology evolves. We're moving from what is today's mobile-first, cloud-first world to a new world that is going to be made up of an intelligent cloud and an intelligent edge. We are moving from a world of single devices to a world of multiple devices. This is true of personal computing and the devices we connect with in our work and lives each day. Together, we are uniquely positioned to deliver this intelligent edge and intelligent cloud end-to-end in a cross-platform world. This digital transformation leads us to develop 5 solution areas: modern workplace, business applications, applications and infrastructure, data and artificial intelligence, and gaming. Today, we're going to focus on 2 of these solution areas: modern workplace and gaming. When we look at the shift happening in the workplace, it's profound. The demographics are changing. The skills that are required are changing, and so is how you bring people together. More and more, productivity is being defined as unlocking ingenuity and creativity. This is where the modern workplace comes in. And gaming is no longer defined by the hardcore gamer. It's a gaming network that drives value not just to the gamer, but all those watching people playing games for recreation, for social connection, and for education. Windows 10 is built for the digital transformation. Windows 10 is a secure, intelligent platform powered by the cloud to empower people and help modernize IT. Windows 10 unlocks creativity and collaboration that delivers a product experience that users will love. Windows 10 is integrated for simplicity, improving the experience for people, making it easier to incorporate it into our daily lives. Windows 10 is the most secure release of Windows, with intelligent security capabilities that are designed to work together to better protect people and organizations. So what are the things that you can do in your devices that enable creativity and teamwork? Creativity helps people create compelling content by working naturally with ink, voice, and touch. It allows them to visualize information in new ways and connect experiences across devices. Using the digital pen with Windows 10 is as fast and familiar as putting a pen to a piece of paper. Users can edit Office documents, leverage Windows Ink in amazing third-party experiences such as Adobe Photoshop, and take notes quickly, even before logging in. New pen gestures allow users to intuitively navigate within Windows and write into any text box without putting the pen down. Users can even create in a new dimension using the digital pen and the new Paint 3D app to create drawings that come alive as 3D objects. Tomorrow, you'll hear more about the investments we were making in pen and precision touchpad from Christian Lamp and Carla Forrester. Cortana acts as an intelligent assistant, helping users make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Cortana remembers and provides intelligent reminders, helps users save time by simplifying everyday tasks, and keeps in sync across devices, including the PC, iPhone, Android devices, and now speaker. She covers the ordinary tasks so that users can focus on the extraordinary. In the Fall Creators Update, Cortana, your digital assistant, received updates and support for Hardware Keyword Spotter and Wake on Voice. Let me show you some of the peripherals from the Cortana badge. Here, you see, we've got some devices from Sennheiser and Logitech. These are basically speaker and conference room devices, headphones and headsets that have been certified through our Cortana badge program, so they are guaranteed to work efficiently and well, whether in the home or whether in the office, with Cortana. Over here you see we have the Microsoft Surface Studio. The reason why this is here is it's implemented an interesting feature. When this thing goes to sleep, it goes into a state called Modern Standby, and we have sessions on Modern Standby, which I encourage you to visit. The benefit of Modern Standby is we can do some interesting things like Wake on Voice and Hardware Keyword Spotter. So I'm going to push the power button here and put the Surface Studio to sleep, Modern Standby mode. Now, bear with me. I'm going to see if Cortana is awake. But what I'm going to do is, this machine right now is asleep. I'm going to now talk to it and see if I can wake it up just by using the keywords. Hey, Cortana, play some music.
I'm on it. And now, music on Groove.
Let's go party, party all night, whoa, oh, and maybe to chance, whoa.
Very fortunate on that one. So as you saw right there, it was asleep. And from, if we implement far-field communication, from across the room, you'll be able to just talk to it and have it do things like play music, which is a really great feature, really great delighter. Mixed reality brings in the 3D world in ways that make it easy for everyone to express their creativity. Here's a short video to talk about 3D. The number one desired feature by users is what? Number one. Anybody? All-day battery life. Number one requested feature by users no matter what. All-day battery life. If we can take our learning from past projects and apply them to new devices going forward, we'll be able to achieve this. There are things that we've done in the Fall Creators Update. With the Perf Power Slider, we have put users in control of making trade-offs between performance and power. We've also provided you with tools to help you validate your power goals. We have the System Power Report and quality assessments in the assessment toolkits. We also have sessions on PC turnkey solutions, power, performance, and modern standby. In these sessions, you will learn about the work we are doing with partners and the investments we are making in these areas so you can take these solutions back to your engineering team and implement these. Alex Pfeiffer will talk to you tomorrow about why building always connected devices is important to the modern workplace and the investments we are making there. With Windows as a service, you now enter a world where you always have the latest features and security. The Windows 10 Fall Creators Update enhanced accessibility in Windows Narrator on new devices right out of the box, and Edge has a better browsing experience with verbal commands. Later this morning, you'll hear from Jiaxing Zheng on other enhancements we are making for accessibility in Windows 10 and the opportunities you have. In the meantime, let's take a look at some of the accessibility features enabled in Skype Translator and Screen Reader. I'm very happy to welcome back from the Taipei School for the Visually Impaired, Eric Shen and his teacher, Sean Chi, and we're going to do a little demo on Translator and Reader. Welcome. So in this scenario, we just pretend that Eric and I are in different places and we're doing an IM chat session using Skype. So I'm going to type in my language, my native language, and Eric's going to type in his.
来自 Robert De Benedetto 的 Skype 讯息 Hi Eric, how have you been? 传送时间 U3I6QIII6K4 逗号 3I4 左 YJO 杯 4RPZC 3A 3I6 你好罗伯特逗号 来自 Eric Shen 的 Skype 讯息，你好罗伯特，我最近很忙，传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点13分56秒。来自 Skype Translator 的 Skype 讯息 ，Eric Shen, Hello Robert, I've been busy. 传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点13分58秒。来自 Robert De Benedetto 的 Skype 讯息 ，What are you busy with? 传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点14分14秒。I3 Y 4 9 4 A 3 6 5 K V 3 on 4 F slash 0 4 6 J 0 3 K 7 Z 空格1 C 我在忙着校庆。来自 Eric Shen 的 Skype 讯息，我在忙着校庆和微软的发表会，传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点14分41秒。来自 Skype Translator 的 Skype 讯息 ，Eric Shen, I'm busy with the anniversary and the Microsoft Publishing meeting. 传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点14分43秒。来自 Robert De Benedetto 的 Skype 讯息 ，Oh, that's cool. 传送时8 CX 6 I 6 4 4, 7 U 3逗号 SJ K 7。来自 Eric Shen 的 Skype 讯息，啊哈罗伯特，谢谢你，你懂得。传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点15分17秒。来自 Skype Translator 的 Skype 讯息 ，Eric Shen, 啊哈 Robert, thank you, you know。传送时间2017年11月30日上午9点15分20秒。
Okay, well, as you see, with technology like Skype Translator or Narrate, a visually impaired boy like Eric can communicate, can make friends with a foreigner. Isn't it great? Yeah. But you know, I'm a teacher. I don't recommend using this technology in the test, especially English test. So at last, I want to say something important, very, very important. It's you, all of you. If you, in the future, can bring more accessibilities into your products, your devices, your software, or your apps. I believe Eric can do better, can achieve more, and the great future all comes from you. Always remember, we have a key, we have power to empower the others. Thank you. Thank you, Robert.
Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Sean. Eric, 谢谢。再见，再见。With Windows 10, we want to make sure that intelligence security is built in. We need threat protection, identity and information protection, and security management. Windows 10 security is rooted in hardware. Modern devices cannot be encrypted out of the box with BitLocker technology. With Windows 10 and Windows Hello, you become the password. Windows Hello is the password-free sign-in that gives you a fast and secure way to unlock your Windows devices. Using face, fingerprint, or a companion device, it recognizes you apart from all others. Tomorrow, Sam Chang will be here to show you these latest features and demonstrate how they work in the Fall Creators Update. Windows 10 threat protection includes next-generation malware and hacking defenses that can protect against both known threats and previously unknown zero-day attacks. It provides a hardened platform that can prevent encounters, isolate threats, and control execution. With the power of Microsoft Intelligence Security Graph and our unique ability to detect how attacks are happening, we bring a level of clarity that is unrivaled. With each new release, the Windows Defender technologies continue to expand their portfolio, providing the comprehensive protection against the full range of threats. Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection was originally designed to detect and respond to advanced attacks. The platform has just been expanded to cover the full security lifecycle for detection, response, and now preventative protection. I want to now welcome Helen Lowe to the stage to demo device management with Azure IoT Device Provisioning Services on Windows 10 IoT Core. Helen.
Thank you, Robert. 大家好，我今天会来介绍2个 Azure 的服务，也就是我们的 Device Provisioning Service， 还有我们的 IoT Device Management。那我们的 Device Provisioning Service 是一个新的 Azure 服务，也就是说，你们今天建了一个新的 IoT device， 从你们的工厂出货之后，拿到 customer 的手上的时候，他们第一次开机，他们就可以自动的连上我们的 IoT Hub， 不用去做任何手动的设定，也不需要去接任何 Hub。所以对这种 IoT solution 来说，其实非常实用的。那当你们的 IoT Hub， 你们的 device 连上 IoT Hub 之后，它就可以连上我们的 IoT Cloud， 也就是说，我们可以透过我们的 IoT Device Management 去远端的管理我们所有的 device。那我们今天会来看一下今天的 demo。那我后面有一台笔电，这台笔电也就是你们右边看到这个画面，那它已经连上我们的 Azure 去做了管理的服务。那我们右边这里有2个 Windows 10 IoT Core 的 device。右边这个 device 它是一个 tablet device， 那中间这个是一个延滑的 gateway。那我今天会透过我的 portal 去对他们做一些指令。那我们先看一下我们 portal 这个画面，其实是想要给你们看看说我们有哪一些 feature 已经 built in 在我们的 IoT core 上，也就是说我们看得到说我们 device 上面有哪一些 app， 我们可以对它做一些 update， 或是我们可以做 factory reset 以及我们的reboot。那我今天会对这个 tablet 的 device 来做一些指令。假设说我今天这个 demo 比较简单一点，所以我可以从这里远端送一个 command 到我们的云端，再到 device 端，它会去切换成另外一个 app， 所以你们等一下可以看到说这个萤幕会做一个变换。好，你们可以看说我现在选了一个 device， 那我要选我哪一个 app， 那我可以去对它做一个 start 的动作。好，你们可以看到这个画面立刻就变了。所以如果你们今天你们的 IoT Hub 上面有很多个 device， 你们可以同时对很多的 device 下很多的指令以及设定。那我等一下很欢迎你们去外面多多了解我们这个 device provisioning 还有 device management。那有任何问题也可以来外面多多问我。Thank you， 谢谢 Robert。
Thank you, Helen. So making a modern PC translates into customer delight. It means you're building what users want, and the data shows this. Users of modern PCs are more satisfied with their overall experience as compared to traditional PCs. If the PC supports Cortana or Windows Hello, users are much more likely to recommend that PC to their friends. And look at Pen. 72% of pen users state it is one of the biggest reasons they love their PC. So I'm going to show you a little demo on the latest pen technology. So far we're doing great. We're 100% on the demos. Let's hope we keep going. Here's another one of the tricky demos. Here's Blue Land to come to the stage to demo the new pen.
Thank you, Robert. So today I'm going to use a Doni Ink Pro pen to demo a couple of cool and useful features that you can use in the latest Office 365. So first I'm going to open OneNote. And then I'm going to select a pen and write an equation. And then I'm going to select my equation. Sorry. Okay. And press the Math button. And you can see, and I can select solve for x to get my solution. And so not only you can ink in the OneNote, you can also, it's an important tool for students to learn how to solve the equation step by step without the help from other people. So next, I'm going to bring up a Word file, and I'm going to the Draw tab, and most importantly, I'm going to enable the ink editor. So for when you enable the ink editor, you'll be able to strike through a picture to remove a picture, and or delete any unwanted sentence. Further, you can, by selecting a highlighter, you can highlight any sentence that you want as an important note. So not only in OneNote or Word that you can have such features, we also have embedded something into the PowerPoint. So let's open a PowerPoint, and let's say I want to remodify the design of my house or the room or a firm. So let's say I want to make my sofa about 2 meters long, and I want to move my drawer backwards away from my sofa about 1 meter. Then I'm going to press the ink replay button to replay what I just have written or draw on the PowerPoint. So this will help my designer to better understand my thought process. So, Robert, don't you think you're going to get one of these MPP pens and start using all these cool features in Office 365?
I think it's going to be great to use this in the new Office 365. This is, thank you, by the way. This is, as Blue mentioned, an MPP pen. That means it's a Microsoft Protocol pen. And the advantage of having a Microsoft Protocol pen is it means you can use it across any device, any Windows device that's pen enabled. So I said that this was new technology. Well, there is something new, because if you look closely at this pen, you'll notice there's a button at the top. And behind the button is a microphone. So why would a pen have a button with a microphone? Well, it turns out if I push that button on my PC, I can wake up Cortana, and then through my pen's microphone, talk to Cortana. Let's give that a try. Weather report.
It's partly sunny and 24, with light rain and a high of 24 in the forecast.
Oh, another one. So now the pen becomes very personal. You'll keep that pen with you all the time because it works on any Windows device, and now I can use it to talk to Cortana. And just think of how creative that is and how much of a delighter that is for customers. What is also delighting our customers are preloaded apps that do not slow down the system. We think that the modern preload includes universal drivers, UWP apps that come from the Windows Store, hardware-supported apps and settings, and Win32 apps that take advantage of the desktop bridge and are updated through the Windows Store. This allows for better serviceability, less driver fragmentation, increased reliability and quality, simplified and trusted deployment, improved security and battery life, and an overall better customer experience. It also provides a very simple way to create and update a preload. So that was one of those 5 solution areas I mentioned in the beginning, modern workplace. Now let's talk about the other one, gaming. 2017 has been an incredible year for gaming on our platform. We launched new programs for game creators, a new interactive streaming service, a new console. The Xbox One X delivered technologies such as 4K, HDR, and spatial audio to make games more immersive and landed strategic bets to converge our game development platforms on Windows 10. Through our investments, we have driven value for gamers, game developers, and our ecosystem partners by making Windows 10 the best place to watch, play, and create on any of the devices in the Windows family. One interesting example of how we have fundamentally changed the way we deliver entertainment to customers are services like Mixer, where interactivity is the future of streaming. Interactivity creates a deeper engagement between a game and its community of broadcasters and viewers, outperforming non-interactive streams in terms of driving intent to purchase. Unique Mixer features such as near real-time latency, 4-person co-streams, and native broadcasting connect millions of gamers on Windows 10 PCs and Xbox One consoles to a level beyond what any non-interactive streaming service can do. Another critical investment in our multi-year strategy to converge the best of our PC and console world is the Microsoft Store, which is now the best cross-device marketplace for game creators to monetize. The Microsoft Store is the only self-service marketplace today for thousands of game developers to distribute games for Windows 10 PCs, Xbox One consoles, and Windows mixed reality headsets all at the same time. Continuous investment in advanced publishing has enabled subscriptions, 4K assets, and video trailers, and dozens of features that cater to turning the Microsoft Store into a leading platform to launch new games anywhere around the world. This builds on top of a year where we have enabled game developers to create the most immersive content, leveraging innovations around 4K, Ultra HD graphics, and spatial audio with Windows Sonic and Dolby Atmos support on almost every Windows 10 PC and Xbox console on the planet. The result, we have some amazing games, delighted fans, and successful partners enjoying one of their best eras in gaming entertainment we have ever seen. So let's take a look at that. I want to now invite Hamilton, who's a famous gamer, up on stage. We're going to do a little bit of Xbox demo here.
Hi, Robert.
Hi, Hamilton.
Very good. How are you, Robert?
I'm great. What have you got here?
Here is the Xbox game Forza Motorsport 7, and let me show you.
Wow, look at those graphics. This is a very popular game. Very smooth precision on the Xbox. Wonderful gaming experience.
Yeah, the view is amazing. The car is beautiful. It's incredible. Well, sorry, Robert. I have to stop here.
Uh-oh.
Because I got a meeting later, so I have to move to my working machine right now.
Oh, so you're leaving your Xbox, or you're going over to your laptop. All right.
Yeah, but I still got some time before my manager comes, so I can continue my racing in my working machine.
Oh, you're going to continue playing Forza on the PC, the game you were just playing on the Xbox?
Yes, it is.
From the same point?
Yes, exactly. Because this game supports Xbox Play Anywhere. So I can continue my racing, and it saved the record on my Xbox, and I can resume the racing in my working machine.
So any Xbox Play Anywhere title allows you to literally play your game anywhere, Xbox or PC, from where you left off.
Yes, exactly.
And the graphics and the gameplay looks exactly the same on the PC as it does on the Xbox. And I notice you're also using the Xbox wireless controller. How is that possible?
Yeah, of course. This notebook ASUS ROG G703VI built-in Xbox wireless receiver. So I can just use my Xbox controller play this game without any adapters.
Wow, a modern PC with a built-in Xbox wireless controller support. That is a customer delighter. That's fantastic.
Yeah, let me show you one more thing. I have many fans online watching me play the game. It's Mixer, a live game streaming platform, allow me to broadcast my game. so many people can join my racing online and leave the comment below in real time.
Wow, so social media now joins the gaming experience. That's fantastic.
Yes, indeed.
Thank
you,
you.
Robert.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
everyone.
Hamilton. Wow. All the demos worked. Unbelievable. So now you've seen this is just a glimpse of what Fall Creators Update brought and some of the things you can do to leverage in your devices, in your projects. So over these next 2 days, all the sessions go deep into this, and I encourage you to go and attend and learn from those sessions. I also encourage you to try Fall Creators Update. Just join the Windows Insider program. It's free, it's easy. You sign up, and you get the builds before the general public does. And then, as you've seen today, design and build modern devices with modern capabilities. Things like Wacom Voice, Keyword Spotter, the Xbox Wireless Controller, the pen, now talking to Cortana. These are things that delight customers. The data shows this, and it makes them want to purchase more. So thanks again for coming. Thanks again for your time. Thanks for the wonderful partnership. You've all been great. Again, attend the sessions. Thank you, Saijen.